Good morning everyone. In today's class we are going to solve a very easy sum in measurements where the given question is the area of a rhombus is 100 square centimeters. So they have given the area and length of one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter. So this is one of its length. So that is D1. Find the length of the other diagonal. So they have said to find what is D2. Okay, first write the given area of a rhombus. Area of a rhombus is equal to what they have given, 100 square centimeters. So 100 square centimeter, and the next what they have given the question, length of one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter. So D1 is equal to 8 centimeter. The next, find the length of the other diagonal. So we have to find what is D2 equal to. D2 is equal to what? Question mark. So we know the formula of area of a rhombus, right? What is the formula? Yes, half into D1 into D2 is equal to what? 100. Okay, the next step, half into what is D1? 8 centimeters. So right here 8 into, we have to find D2. So keep D2 as such, is equal to 100. Now I am going to cancel 2 1 times and 8 as how much? 4 times. So 4 into D2 is equal to 100. Now I am going to keep D2 as such and bring 4 that side. So D2 is equal to 100 divided by 4. I am going to cancel 4 1 times and 100 as how much? 25 times. So D2 is equal to 25 centimeter. Therefore, we found what is the length of the other diagonal. That is D2 is equal to 25 centimeter.